morning, guys! Today is the first day of freedom. First day of freedom. Anyway, guys, today is the first day of school and I just dropped the kids off, and since it's my day off, I'm gonna go to chemist warehouse, and then me and hubby gonna have some breakfast. For a very long time we had breakfast together, so we'll see if they open, and let's see if how much people are out, because we are in Victoria, Australia, guys, and we are like, there's really bad cases in Melbourne, but luckily we are too far from Melbourne. So
if it's closed, we're going to be which is gravy. Yeah,
maybe if that cafe is closed, we will just go get a takeaway. Anyway, guys, let's have a look if there are people around about. So yeah, and back to work tomorrow. Today is 12 degrees. It's not that cold, so halfway spring, and yeah, allergies season of the year. So this is Shepparton, guys, main highway.
Where's the pink flowers?
Where the pink flowers? No, my nose is settled for the day. I had my spray and everything. So hubby's just gonna pay some parking, and then hopefully it will accept card because I didn't have any coins with me. So dyan kami punta, guys, sa Lemon Tree Cafe. Dyan. Hopefully there's parking. Huh? What? I just got scolded, guys, kasi now I don't have coins in my car for parking. Lucky's got some in his wallet, and they don't accept card for parking. He always tells me, always have some coins on your car just in case, but I keep getting it and put it in my savings jar. So yeah. Anyway, guys, found some coins on his wallet, and we are heading to the cafe. So we are going there, guys. But yeah, I think they open. Breakfast omelette. So we go there. They have a very nice setting up here. So these are their menu, guys. So we just got our orders. Can you? So we just got our orders, guys. We're just waiting. Ito na yung order namin, guys. Italian Benedict and Aussie omelette. Why is the tomato not cooked?
How do you put tomato?
You're supposed to fry it sometimes. Okay, this egg again. Last time I didn't like it.
What did you go for?
Guys, aftermath. That was a big meal, guys. And I ate it all. Yum. Finish breakfast, guys. Now, where are we going? Just gonna have a look around here in the mall. Huh? That was good breakfast. Love that. Oh, look at this, guys. So beautiful. And there's also white. Otherwise all finished. Let's go here. Clearance. I love this word. Clearance. Daming clearance, guys. Oh, from $69 to $25. What's this one? Okay, that's pangit. $15 na lang, guys. Oh. So hard. Ito. This one's pretty. Isabella Brown. Let's have a look here. Guys, specials, hush puppies. $40. Guys, I went to up shop. Damage. But guys, $1 half price lang, guys. Sus, I show you later the one I bought. This some still got tags on it, so this one's for my work. But I show you guys later. It's so good. I'm gonna go back there next time without my husband. Because you know, guys, when you take your husband to up shopping, no offense, but it's reality. When you take your husband to up shopping, they always hurry. Come on, hurry. You done? We only got 10 minutes in a parking, so don't take your husband. Just a tip. Go by yourself. But anyway, guys, we're gonna go to chemist now. I'll show you later what I bought from the up shop. Okay, really good bargain. We're home, guys, and look what I bought from the up shop. I'm gonna show you guys, but before I will just have some sundae. We went to McDonald's and bought some. Just feel like having chocolate after that big breakfast. So chocolate sundae for breakfast or dessert. Let's eat, guys. Yum, chocolate sundae from Macca's. Let's eat. So guys, we went to the app shop and I'll show you what I bought. I'm here in my sewing room, so this is why I stitch my clothes. So this one, guys, a G-Star. See, as you can see, it's original G-Star. This is only for $4. $4 lang siya, guys. Oh. And then half price pa yan siya. So $2 na lang, guys. G-Star. Ang ganda niya. Pag hindi ito magkasya sa akin, ilalagay ko yan siya sa balikbayan box. So, pinupuno ko na ngayon yung aking balikbayan box. And then, all these pants here, work pants, ay $2 na lang din siya, guys. So, pag I will try it on. If it's too long, I'm gonna alter it because I got a sewing machine. I'll use my sewing machine to alter. And this one is another work pants because it's nearly summer here, so I really need something that's light for work. That one, and there's another one, work pants. This is actually brand new, still got tags on, so pretty good. And then another one is the last item I bought from, actually no, it's not, it is I have another one which is a shoes. So this one, guys, I'll give it to my mother. May price pa talaga siya, guys. Oh, may tag pa. So from $20, ano na lang to? I think this is only $1. $1 shoes. So look at that, guys. I have a sister which is a teacher, so I might give this to her. So yeah, it's good, isn't it? That's nice color. So $1, guys, for this. $1. It's nice, isn't it? And then this bag, I don't know what brand is this. Red Herring. What's Red Herring? So brand new pa to, guys. May tag pa. $6 na lang to. Good for my sister. Kasi I'm filling up my balikbayan box. And then it's nearly full, so I'm just finding more stuff to put in. So it still got plastic on it, guys. See? It's a backpack. School backpack. Because she rides a motorbike, so this is pretty handy. Put in a backpack, and then, yeah. And then, I also bought this cold and flu medicine, nasal spray for my little boy, because he's always same as me, always getting a high hay fever. And I also bought this, guys. It's from Chemist Warehouse. Guess, $12 lang siya. $12. Ay, bakit ang bright? So yeah, $12 with perfume and that one. That's $3 from Chemist Warehouse. This is actually smells good. Nice. So I'm gonna try on these pants, guys, and if it's too long, I'm gonna cut it a little bit. So that's my up shop haul. I really want to go back there, but maybe next time if I have a day off. So guys, let's do the stitching. So guys, I just tried them on and most of them fit me, except that it's a bit tall in the bottom. So we're gonna do some stitching, guys. So I'm just gonna cut the end bit and then coffee muna. Tapos ko na yung isa and then one more. And then we will sort out our balikbayan box. Hindi parang madali itong manahi. So yan guys yung balikbayan box natin. Hopefully mapuno na para masend na natin sa umabot ng Pasko. Hopefully. So let's continue guys. Tapos na guys. And then lalabhan na lang natin to. Wash and then ready to go and all done. And then inatake na naman ako ng aking hay fever. Oh my God. I hate this. Every time spring. Para nang grape po yung nose. Kaya mayroon akong nose spray everyday. Effective talaga yun siya guys. Mag nose spray everyday. Pag magsisimula na yung spring. Tapos, yeah. Pero hindi ako nakapag nose spray last month. So last month is yung simula ng spring dito. So I said, well, I don't have any. But then last week it all started. So I have to get nasal spray. So I have to put spray every day and Claritin every day. And then guys, I will sort out my balikbayan box kasi malapit na siyang mapuno. So, ayan guys. Oh, konti na lang. Hapot aabos. Hopefully aabot ng Pasko. Ang hirap magpuno ng balikbayan box. Uy. Anyway, I think I will just sort this out and I'll see you guys. So that would be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, just put it below. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, everybody.